Assalamualaikum. First we have a new part in Solidworks. In this video we are going to draw a distant bolt, which is one of the part of crane block pulley assembly. First we have to go to the Solidworks, select a plane which you want to sketch here, make it to the normal view. Then we have to draw a symmetric profile of the distance bolt. Then we have to apply the dimension as per the reference drawing. Use the small dimension, then give the dimension to the symmetric profile of distance bolt. Give the dimension as per the reference drawing. After giving the dimension, you have to just click OK. After completing the given dimensions, then exit the sketch, go to the features, use a revolve bars, select our corresponding center axis, then click OK. Here we have to produce a thread at the both ends as a M20 standard in a metric. So use a thread option in drop down list of hole wizard. Then select a circle where you want to produce a thread. Specify the height of the thread to be produced here. As a 30 mm height is to be produced. Select a metric standard as here M20. Likewise, we have to produce a thread at another end. Follow the same procedure. Then we have to apply the color here for aesthetic look. Apply the color to the whole body. Then we have to save the component for a future use for the purpose of assembly of crane pulley block. Inshallah, we will meet in next video. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum.